Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basic English. Today our topic is asking about family. Number 1, what is your name? Number 2, where do you live? Number 3, how old are you? Number 4, do you have any brother? Number 5, how many brothers do you have? Number 6, what is your brother's name? Number 7, do you have any sister? Number 8, how many sisters do you have? Number 9, what is your sister's name? Number 10, what is your mother's name? Number 11, how old is your mother? Number 12, what is your mother's job? Number 13, what is your father's name? Number 14, how old is your father? Number 15, what is your father's job? Number 16, do you have a grandfather? Number 17, how old is your grandfather? Number 18, do you have a grandmother? Number 19, how old is your grandmother? Number 20, do you love your family?